Badami alias Vatapi is a town located in the Bagalkot district of Karnataka. It was the capital of the Chalukyas from 6th to 8th century, while the Chalukyas prevailed between 6th to 12th century. The Badami Chalukyans were the earliest, which later got split into Eastern Chalukyans, and much later came the Kalyani Chalukyans. The greatest ruler of the Badami dynasty was Pulakeshi II, who among others defeated the Pallava king Mahendravarma I. The Pallavas later captured and destroyed Badami in the Battle of Vatapi to avenge their defeat. Badami is a small town. The bus stop and the railway station are approximately 5 kilometers apart. The distance between the Agastya Lake, near around where the UNESCO sites exist, is approximately 1.2 kilometers from the bus stop. There are many tourist spots near around the lake. Agastya Lake is actually an artificial reservoir built in the 5th century and is still used by the locals. The Badami Cave Complex is a part of UNESCO designated World Heritage Site under the title of Evolution of Temple Architecture in Aihole, Badami and Pattadakal. The Badami Caves consist of a total of 4 caves. The caves are carved one after the another vertically upwards. The cave 3 by far is the largest among the lot, with inscriptions etched all over the interior. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. According to Hindu mythology, Vishnu has 10 avatars, out of which some were carved out here. Vishnu Avatar Narasimha is a fierce avatar of Lord Vishnu, one who incarnates in the form of part lion and part man to destroy evil. Vishnu on Sesha. Lord Vishnu is often depicted rested on Sesha, which means the king of serpents. The serpent is considered a servant and a manifestation of Lord Vishnu. The view of the Agastya Lake from the top of the cave is beautiful and serene. We suggest to start the day with the Badami cave temples, following which you can visit a lot many places nearby. The Mallikarjuna temple was built by the Kalyani Chalukyas and it had pyramidal shikharas. The Badami fort was commissioned by Pulakeshi I and it is accompanied by 2 Shivalaya complexes. The ASI Museum is a must-visit for people with keen interest in art and history. Badami Markaz Juma Masjid was commissioned by Hyder Ali. Just behind the mosque is this presumably older mosque. The mosque is believed to have been built when Hyder Ali captured the fort here for his Muslim soldiers near around the 18th century. It is believed that later his son, Tipu Sultan, renovated much of the caves, temples and forts here, which otherwise were not even thought of before. Last but not the least comes the Bhutnath temple. We suggest to end the day with the mesmerizing Bhutnath temple. The trail from the Badami caves to the Bhutnath temple, which is of about 20 minutes on foot, covers the main structures. The Badami fort, Shivalayas and Kila Masjid are a bit far from the trail but quite reachable. The route of the trail along is quite interesting, which gives us a touch and feel of the settlements near the UNESCO sites. The Bhutnath temple was started by the Badami Chalukyas and completed by the Kalyani Chalukyas. It has two Nandis. The porch Nandi must be a later addition. The Shikhara falls under the initial Dravidian style of architecture with a Nagara style Kalash at the top. Badami is a very significant place of architectural importance. It is listed as one of the towns under Hriday. It showcases early Chalukyan styles, both rock cut and structural, all in one. Hence it is a place of architectural variety and beauty. It is indeed a dream wrapped in sandstone. As quoted by Marcus Garvey, a person without the knowledge of their past history, origin and culture is like a tree without roots. So let's unlock the mystery of history and learn from our past to better our present and work for our future.